So we got one of these Dyson handheld vacuums. This is an SV4. It's one of the older ones. But if you have a situation where the vacuum's working, got plenty of air pulling through it, but the head is not turning. It's all plugged in, but there's just nothing getting power to the beater head down at the bottom. We're going to show you how to fix that. So these disconnect right at the head itself, and then also here at the unit. And in between, along this pipe here, we've got some connections that, let's see if I can show you here. You can see them. There's two right here and right here. Now these connections can get oxidation on them and can need to be cleaned sometimes. And there's a couple ways you could do that. I'm just going to use a rag and some WD-40, maybe a little bit of carburetor cleaner. And also down here, there's a connection point here and here. So you want to make sure that these are all good and that there's not some crud on there or oxidation of sorts. And then on the head itself, same thing. You've got the two connection points here and here. Now these could be loose and not making a good connection, but they're probably just dirty. That's the main thing. So hopefully that will take care of the problem. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out all these connection points now. All right, now we'll go ahead and put it all back together. Go ahead and test this thing out now. All right, so there you go. Remember, there's a bunch of connection points here. Everywhere that the connections are made, this can get oxidation and crud on them. So go ahead and clean those up, and you should be back in business. These are very expensive machines, and it's nice if you can get a little more life out of them. I hope this helped, and check the description for links to any products I use to help fix this. And if the video helped you, if you could give it a thumbs up, that'll help other people find it as well. Have a great day.